Well, home cooking has always been there, and most of the time you cook for your family and for a few close friends. One of the good things about home cooking is that we have a lot of family recipes, so all the dishes that I'm doing are very traditional. It's important that we carry on with this legacy.
And I feel it's a great privilege to be able to learn all these dishes.
So if you haven't tried authentic Penang Peranakan food,
Come and join us on Yummy Bang.